Hello, everybody. My name is Peter Magyarorsi. I'm the CEO of LC Innoconsult, and I would like to share with you some of our thoughts about open innovation landscape and how public-private cooperation works in that field. But before that, I would like to thank the organizers to invite me for this very special event. Let me introduce my company. We are an innovation management consultant company. We have been on the market for 29 years now, but we work all over the world, in all developed countries. We are based in south of Hungary. Our services are the following: commercialization of research results, that we do mainly in big European projects in Horizon 2020 and in the upcoming Horizon Europe projects. We also do technology transfer, including licensing and licensing out, technology scouting and IP valuation. We are an active player of the local startup ecosystem, as we have a daughter company, which is a seed capital investment company. We perform market analysis, market research only for innovative technologies. We write feasibility studies, techno-economical feasibility studies, and we are always happy to share our knowledge through various type of training courses. If we want to talk about public-private partnership, then we have to go back to the roots. And the really interesting concept of this triple helix model came from a published paper from a Scottish university by my friend, Professor Etzkowitz, who brought these three partners, like state or a representative of the state, could be national or regional governance. Then industry means business, academia, that means research. And before that, it was like they played a separate role, and then they decided to create so-called trilateral organizations or networks. And this concept was further developed by some other researchers who said that, okay, this triple helix model is very nice, but then there is a fourth actor in the whole story, and that is the users or the society. So this triple helix model was further developed to a quadruple helix model. But this is a very nice theory. How does it work? What are the actual organizations? And I will give you two examples of these type of organizations. One is a living lab, which is a very popular concept, especially in Europe, which is a kind of research concept, what is a user-centered model, including open innovation ecosystem, and in most cases, it is in a given geographic area, like in a city or in a region, and that is the classical public-private partnership, and giving an additional actor, as it is in the quadruple helix model, the users. So here is a graphical presentation of this living lab. As you can see, in the focus is the users, means that target groups and behavioral definers. And then you have the public actors, which could be a local government as well as national government, giving a long-term perspective, like in various types of policies, and also regulatory role. And then you have the businesses, they have practical know-how, resources, and the market behind them. And then you have the knowledge institutes, which are public research organizations like research institutes, universities, and they have the expertise and scientific background and all the scientific capacities. Another type of this hybrid organization, which is a classical triple helix organization, that is the cooperative research center, involving government players like ministries or agencies. The typical role of providing not only the policy framework, but also providing some financial contribution in form of grants. Then the university, which provides the infrastructure, the human capital, and of course, technical scientific expertise. And of course, the industry, who provides the other part of the funding, and of course, the market-driven innovation process. And then they are brought together in the form of Cooperation Research Center. Then in the second part of my presentation, I would like to go to some technology offers, what we have on our portfolio from Hungary. The first one is a technology to utilize and recycle urban wastewater sewage sludge. For wastewater treatment plants, sludge is a very difficult issue, how to handle sludge, and this technology gives you an opportunity to convert it to a renewable solid or recyclable solid fuel. And the beauty of the technology is a part of the fuel is brought back to a heater, which will give energy in the form of hot air for the dryers. So you don't need any external energy input for producing this solid recovered fuel. But the next technology is a brilliant technology which can be used for large oil or fuel tanks. This technology uses pressurized foam, which can extinct the flames within half a minute for larger tanks, within 1 minute, without any human interactions. It's a fully automated system, no need of any external electricity, no need of water, and it is very, very efficient. Then the next technology is a drinking water filtering system for small communities where you have contaminated wells, contaminated by contaminants like arsine, bromine, iodine, fluor, manganese, or iron. These water filtering stations can provide drinking water for smaller communities with contaminant levels far below the international standards. The next technology is explosive cladding. One kind of application is for electrical industry. Explosive cladding is a technology which can join two different metals, or even metals with non-metals like ceramics, and the bonding between the two materials is much stronger than welding, or it even allows joining metals which cannot be welded together. And one kind of application is to produce electrical connectors, joints made of two metals, solving the problem of galvanic corrosion or contact resistance problems. The next one is a multifunctional medical suction device. This medical suction device is to remove any liquid from mainly from the throat of patients, and it's portable, so it is a very handy when, for example, patients are transferred from one place to the other, and also for home care, elderly care places. The next one is a vertical axis wind turbine for slow and changing wind speed. It's a very interesting concept how you can turn the energy of wind into electric power. The next one is a modular staircase for home and industrial purposes. It can be produced. It's a very simple technology, but the beauty of the technology is its simplicity. But it's a patented technology how you can develop stairs for industrial and home use. The next technology is a paint or coating which has incredible heat insulation properties. This technology is already on the market, and we are looking for licensees for this technology, or even distributors. This coating can replace thick polystyrol insulations, and it can be used either indoor or outdoor. The next technology is a container-based energy storage system for stabilizing voltage supplies, or it can be used as a large-scale power bank for places where no grid connection is available, or a recent application of this container is to put down as a electric car filling station. So these are the technologies available for licensing. If you need any further information, we are happy to share with you together with our wonderful Korean partner, Delta Tech Korea. Thank you for your attention.